David.
Dad, look at the pictures that Lisette took with your phone.
Lily.
I saw it.
Okay.
Let me see. Listen.
Okay, all four.
That's on my camera, right?
Yeah.
That is beautiful.
Okay.
It's amazing what.
How did she get it red like that?
Look, I'm hoping that videotaping me.
No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that.
Oh, that's gorgeous too. This is on Ashley's camera.
But sunset looks almost real. It's amazing how they do that.
It looks better on Lisette's camera.
Huh? Looks better on the.
Phone camera doesn't capture it.
I know.
Mom, we want to take a picture with you and Dad.
These
before
folks are
sunset
like,
goes
they're
down.
like, hurry, let's get out there quick.
Huh?
They're like scurrying out there to get out there before the sun goes down.
I know. It looked like pack mules carrying all that stuff.
See, we're gonna take this house up like that eventually.
Oh,
Better. It's not.
you don't mind advice?
Are you going to build on top of